Doors are an incredibly noisy part of an automobile. When you tap a door, you hear that hollow metal sound. HushMat reduces that sound, reduces that vibration, and gives you that solid door slam every time. What I'm doing is peeling and sticking the product to the outer skin of the door first. And that really is where a majority of that vibration comes from. One of the benefits and the ease of installation of the HushMat product is that it's the easiest product in the category to apply. It bonds to virtually any automotive substrate. What I did is I took these 12 by 12 pieces and I cut them in half to make it easy to pass through this door channel and door cavity here. Already you can hear a difference on the outer skin of the door just by putting two of those pieces, and I'm applying them below the crash bar first, and then I'll cut some other smaller pieces to apply above the crash bar. But really, a pair of hands and a straight razor knife or a pair of household scissors, and you can install HushMat. You'll notice I didn't use any acetone, any degreasing agent. I'm using just bare sheet metal, and the product is bonding, and it'll be bonded here for the life of this Camaro. That's it. Now you hear a much more solid tap when you tap your car door. Try it at home. Tap your car door. When you hear that vibration, HushMat's a solution for you. All right, above the crash bar presents a little bit more of a challenge just based on the amount of area that you have to work with. So what I did is I cut them into a little bit smaller pieces, and then I'm just going to work it in behind that crash bar to give it a really good placement inside on that outer skin of the door. One of the things that really differentiates HushMat is you literally need no tools. Maybe a roller, a pair of household scissors, that's it. Good thing I have long arms. See, what you hear rattling now is on the inner frame of the door, which we'll do last when the trim panels get ready to go on for all of the fit and finish issues. I'm going to cut another piece of this. Solid. That's it. Door's done.